Allergy Module. An allergy is an adverse reaction that the body has to a particular medicine, food or substance. The details can be recorded here. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patient list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Allergy Module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Allergy. Click on the Add icon here to enter the information. Select the preferred allergy type. Medication allergy can be used if the allergy is caused as a consequence to the usage of any particular medicine. Food allergy can be used if the allergy is caused due to food habits or any food item. Other allergies can be used if the allergy is caused by any other means. Allergen details can be recorded here. RX norm and SNOB codes, which are universally recognized database codes, can be accessed here. In the allergen field, enter the required code and select from the drop-down list, or the user can manually enter the allergen details if required. Enter reaction to the allergy specified. We use SNOB codes here and details can be manually entered here too. Click on More option to add additional fields to record more information. Click on Notes to enter any relevant notes to the allergy added. Click on Severity. A drop-down list is displayed to specify how severe the allergy is. If the allergy is moderate, severe, mild or very mild. Click on Status to specify the current status of the allergy, whether it is active or inactive. Click on Form Data to specify from which date this allergy started occurring to this patient. Before saving, if the user wants to delete any added fields with data, double-click on Close option adjacent to the respective field and that field will be removed permanently. Click once to remove if the field is empty. Click on Save to save information, and if you wish to continue adding more allergy details, click on Save and Add option. The allergy details will be added in the module and a new dialog box appears for you to add more allergies. Multiple allergies can be saved for the same health record. You can navigate to a new health record and this data will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient. To edit, click on the Already Saved Data and make preferred changes. Click on Save to confirm the changes. You can delete the data by clicking on the trash icon.